Competing at the highest level is not about winning. It's about preparation, courage, understanding, nurturing your people, and heart. Winning is the result. Good evening, viewers. American sports executive Joe Torres has outlined the key ingredients that have led these finalists to this exciting juncture. The result will surely be a reflection of who has a better recipe. At LASCO, we understand that good nutrition and education go hand in hand, and proudly supports the spirit of quiz with our winning product, LASCO Food Drink. This year, we have increased our prize package to $500,000. We'll award cash prizes to the top 3 teams while expanding our breakfast program offering to the winning school and the highest scoring schools in each county. There's a direct link between breakfast and performance in the classroom, so we hope LASCO's contribution will greater nurture success through our winning nutritional and value products. Thank you.
All right, we're back with you, folks. Before the break, it was St. Jago on 29, Kingston College on 25. After the query, the scores remained the same. Jean-Paul will explain.
Thank you, Simone. Welcome back to the grand finals of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. Scores in the match are St. Jago High on 29 points, Kingston College on 25. We did have a small change. The judges did not accept the answer to St. Jago's. What is the name of the bone that provides attachment for the muscles of the floor of the mouth and the tongue? Hyoid is the answer. I believe they said hyoid, which is not a known pronunciation of that word. The judges did not accept it. However, they picked the point right back up for the answer to the what is the name for the chemical reaction between a fuel and oxidizer that yields energy. Oxidation was the answer given, and it has been accepted. So, with that, we get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified, please, before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. Your first question comes from Bible knowledge. The beginning of the gospel of Jesus Christ, the Son of God, is the opening verse. Kingston College.
St. Matthew.
Incorrect. Mark. Biology. What is the name for an animal embryo at the early stage of development? St. Jago.
Zago.
Incorrect. Blastula or blastomeres. English language. What specific figure of speech is used in this sentence? Speech is silver. St. Jago.
Antithesis.
Antithesis is correct. Local affairs of visual 1 teams. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please. St. Jago.
Stedman Fuller.
Custis of Kingston is correct. Chemistry. What is the general name for mixtures in which particles are evenly distributed? St. Jago.
Homogeneous.
I have colloid, through an homogeneous liquid substrate. Music and audio, that's incorrect. Listen to the following clip, teams, and give the title of this song, please. St. Jago. Celine Dion, correct. General knowledge. Which country would you be in if you took a 6-day excursion trip up the Parana River to St. Jago?
Argentina.
To view the Iguazu Falls, correct. Spanish, translate the following sentence to English. Juan murió porque el perro lo mordió. KC.
So, Juan died because his dog died.
Incorrect. Juan died because the dog bit him. Geography. Which sea is found on most of Italy's west coast? Kingston College.
Tyrrhenian Sea.
That's correct. Or Tyrrhenian. Theatre and cinema. A visual 1. Look at the monitor and identify this actor, please. Kingston College. Okay. Jago, please keep it down. Incorrect. Winston Duke. Information technology. What company invented the graphic user interface, GUI? Jago, please keep it down. KC.
Apple.
Incorrect. Xerox. History. Which World War II battle is officially called the Ardennes Counteroffensive? Kingston College.
Battle of the Bulge.
Is correct. Mathematics. The distance between 2 subway stations is 6 kilometers. If the train leaves at 9:10 a.m. from one station and its speed is 90 kilometers per hour, what time does it get to the next station? Kingston College.
9:14.
9:14.
A.M.?
A.M.
Correct. Physics. What is the potential difference across a 45 ohm resistor if a current of 0.06 Jago?
Times it multiplies.
27 volts.
2.7 volts is what I have. Incorrect. Art of Visual 1. Look at the monitor teams and give the title of this Pablo Picasso painting. Jago.
The old guitars.
The old guitars.
That's right. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Kitchen dresser. Jago.
Magadaglas.
That's right. French. Translate this sentence to English. J'aime nager dans la Kingston College.
I like to swim in the pool.
I like to swim in the river. Literature. Incorrect. The Sword of Shannara is a trilogy by which American fantasy writer? Terence Brooks. General knowledge. Which British artist had himself tied to the mast of a ship so that he could complete the painting Snowstorm? Jago.
James Turner.
That's correct. Bible knowledge. Which New Testament couple died after lying? Kingston College. That's correct. Biology. What is the name for the drying out of a living organism, such as when aquatic animals are taken out of water, slugs are exposed to salt, or when plants are exposed to sunlight or drought? That's desiccation. English language. Spell bourgeois. Jago.
Bourgeois.
That's right. Local and international affairs. Whom did Queen Elizabeth II surpass? Kingston College. And we won't have time. Not sure if they buzzed before the bell or not. No, they didn't. Okay, that is the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores look to be St. Jago High on 39 points, Kingston College on 23 points. Here now is the answer to the Digicel viewers' question. The question was, what was the name of the first program hosted by Doreen Samuels on Radio Jamaica during her long media career? The answer is The Sunday Magazine. Congratulations to our winners. We'll double-check and finalize those scores and be back in just a moment to wrap up the grand finals of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz.